Is your Logitech G Hub stuck on that frustrating loading screen? Let's fix it. Quick. First, open your task manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Locate any processes related to Logitech G Hub. Right-click on each one and select End Task to completely close them. Next, in the Windows search bar, type Services and open the Services app. Scroll down until you find any services that start with Logitech G Hub. Right-click on each of these services. Select Properties, then click Stop to halt the service. After it stops, change the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply and then OK. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to where Logitech G Hub is installed. Usually, it's in your Program Files folder, under Logitech G Hub. Find lghub_agent.exe and lghub.exe. Right-click on each and select Run as Administrator. That's it. G Hub should now launch properly. If it still doesn't work, try restarting your computer after following these steps. Enjoy your gaming.